Moving on, it's a big hit for Emaar MGF home buyers as the Dubai-based Emaar and India-based MGF developers have parted ways. Now, at least 500 home buyers of the Palm Hills projects are stuck in a limbo. Buyers ask who will complete and deliver projects delayed under the Emaar MGF banner. The buyers had earlier taken their fight to the Haryana Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar as well. Our correspondent Deepa Rana caught up with the home buyers after they met with the management of MGF. Listen in.
The MR-MGF demerger, which is causing ripples across the industry, is also causing a lot of loss to the home buyers who are now expecting their homes. But at this time, it seems that the home buyers are not going to get their possession of flats until another 3 years. I have with me the home buyers of the Palm Hills project of MR-MGF. Now, these home buyers were promised back in 2010 that the possession of their homes they will get by 2013. It's already 2016 running in, and now they have come to be the management, and they have been informed that another 3 years is going to take.
मैं एक रिटायर्ड बैंकर हूँ. मैंने अपनी लाइफ की जितनी इन्वेस्टमेंट्स डिपॉजिट से बच्चों के लिए जो वो इनके पास दे दिए, और 3 साल से मैं वेट कर रहा हूँ. किराए के मकानों पे रह रहा हूँ. बैंकों जो शॉर्ट पैसा हुआ था उसका बैंक लोन लिया, जो उसकी इंस्टॉलमेंट दे रहा हूँ. बैंक लोन ज़्यादा लिया हुआ है जो क्योंकि इनकी इंस्टॉलमेंट लास्ट देनी है, और पता नहीं अनफोर्सिन कितने पैसे और हमारे से मांगे जाएंगे. मगर इन लोगों ने हमारे से एडवांस पेमेंट जितनी ली है उसका उन्होंने जो लास्ट इंस्टॉलमेंट है उसमें एडजस्ट भी नहीं किया है.
We are afraid of this thing that we have done the agreement with MR-MGF, which was a single entity. Now, with this demerger, there will be 2 separate entities, and the new entity which will take over the Palm Hills project, we might have to sign all the terms and conditions and all the agreements all together once again, which we are totally unaware of. And again, at that time, just like we did at in 2010, we would not be given choice that you have to select this option or you can take this terms and conditions as of now, yes or no. No, we just have to sign it off. So it might change the terms, it might change the conditions, it might be a drastic option because they might scrap the entire penalties in it. They might change some options by which people who have already invested or they are in resale, they might not even be eligible to get that penalties or something like that.
Primarily, as home buyers, as home buyers, what we actually do is you are going to approach the management first. We've been trying to do that, and we have not been given any response. As you can see, there are old people and there are kids. We have approached the government. There's not much of a thing happening. So, like we have a couple of options with us where we can either go to the court and have a discussion there. But as you know, most of like everybody knows that it takes a huge amount of time in the Indian court system to get any resolution out. So that's why we are trying to approach. We want to have an amicable solution out of it. However, that's not something which is happening.
I purchased this property in resale in 2011 solely because there's MR involved in this, and MR being a big name in Dubai, I thought that this is going to be a big company and deliver the project. But unfortunately, what has happened is in last 1.5 years, there has been absolutely no constructions going on, and of late we have been told through media sources or through other print media as well that there is a demerger going to happen, and because of which they are not investing funds as of now, and all the projects has been stopped.
Give me my money back with the reasonable interest which they charge when I make delay in payment. I think that's it. You refund my money. I am not interested in Palm Hills. I'll never invest again in Palm Hills. In any of the MR projects, we are fed up. 2010, the apartment should have, they started selling the apartment. 2016, they can't give the possession. They're saying they will apply for OC in December 2016, and by 2019, probably all the owners might get some apartment, which is too late, and we don't want it.
As we see that the home buyers over here of MR-MGF are even more tense after this demerger news has happened, and now the buyers are waiting for a clear response from the organizations. We've been trying to reach out to the organization relentlessly on our campaign over here. I've been trying to get responses from both the companies. However, till now, we have not received any kind of clarity on how these delayed projects are going to be divided after the demerger. The situation still remains untold by the organizations.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at Magic Bricks Now. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/Magic Bricks Now.